Good morning guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to control rat menace in your car. Normally rat problem is common with cars nowadays. So there are a lot of solutions to protect your car from rat, but I will show you the most effective and least expensive one to protect your car from the rats. So let me show you. There are some visible signs of rats poops in my garage. So it shows that rat is regularly visiting my garage. Still now no damage has been done, but still as a protection I will do this particular job, which may be helpful for you also. Let me tell you guys where the rat problem occurs in the car. Normally the places beside the battery. This place is one of their favorite spots. Also this side, and especially in altros where you find some cotton type of noise absorber is there. So these are the favorite spaces where rat stays there. Also I have seen in some cases that's below the engine guard also they do come. So one of the easiest way, somebody buy those rat repellent sprays, but those sprays also remain effective just for few days and they are expensive. So I have show you a very cost effective way to control these rats. Let me show you the products. Naphthalene balls. The smell of this naphthalene ball is a deterrent to rats. People may not believe it, but rat never likes this particular smell, and so long the smell remains present, rat will never come in that particular area. Yes, you need to replenish them quite a number of times, maybe twice in a month, but still it's much cheaper than those rat repellent sprays and it's very effective. I will make small sacks of naphthalene with the help of this particular face mask. These are very cheap. So I will make a sack of this naphthalene ball and place it here, this particular place, that particular place, and again replenish it every 15 days. That will do the job to prevent your rats visiting your engine base. So I am preparing the naphthalene sacks. So I have prepared the sack. Now I will place it in those strategic areas. So I have placed it here. Similarly I will place in other areas also. Use naphthalene balls of good quality, so the smell will remain for longer period. I think if you can purchase Bengal chemical naphthalene balls, that is the best, if you can find one. Secure them properly so that it doesn't fall off while the car runs. Also in some cases you can use in the boot area also, below the boot area, just beside the silencer. Sometimes rat menace also take place on those areas also. So based on your car size you can add more sacs. This is the way how you need to keep your naphthalene sacs inside the engine compartment. I have placed two here, another one there, and I will do another one also. Another thing what I would suggest, don't litter any garbage or leftover food materials beside the car, as it attracts more rats. That is also one thing you should try to control, which will be difficult. Even if you don't throw, people from outside will do the same. So you don't have control with other people, but try to keep your car in a clean, neat area away from garbage and litter, because garbage and litter attracts rats to that particular place. So I have placed 4 sacs, one here, another over there, another one near the battery, and another over there, because these are the favorite places where rats come and regularly visit. So I have shown you how you can do it. So in this way you can control rat menace easily and effectively at a very cheap cost. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.